In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert page breaks in Microsoft Word. Whether you're working on a lengthy report or crafting a well-organized manuscript, adding page breaks is a useful skill that can significantly enhance the readability and presentation of your document. First, open your Microsoft Word document. This might be one you've been working on for a while or a fresh new file. Either way, the goal is to prepare your document for any needed structure it might lack. Once you have your document open and ready, you'll want to figure out exactly where you want to start a new page. It might be after a section or perhaps at the end of a chapter. Wherever it is, place your cursor exactly at that point. This step is crucial because the page break will insert precisely where your cursor is positioned. So be mindful to place it accurately to avoid any unwanted disruptions in your text. Now that your cursor is properly set, direct your attention to the ribbon at the top of your Word window. Among the various tabs available, you want to click on the Layout tab. The ribbon is a helpful toolbar that categorizes functions you use frequently. The Layout tab deals with aspects of your document's structure and formatting. Once you're in the Layout tab, look for the Page Setup group. If you're unfamiliar, these groups bunch together similar features and settings. In this particular group, there is a button labeled Breaks. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking Breaks, you'll see a short menu appear. This menu offers a few different types of breaks that can be applied to your document. For our purpose today, we are only interested in the Page Breaks section. Under this section, you'll notice an option simply labeled Page. Go ahead and select that. And there you have it. Adding a page break is as simple as that. This process accomplishes the exact same outcome as using a keyboard shortcut, making it a convenient option if you prefer using the mouse. Inserting a page break forces the subsequent text to start on the next page, which is particularly great for keeping your document clean and orderly. If you often work with documents requiring multiple sections, making use of page breaks can vastly improve how you organize information, separating content in a manageable way and enhancing the reader's experience. While keyboard shortcuts can speed up the process, knowing where to access this function in the ribbon could be helpful, especially when learning new software or assisting someone else. That wraps up our tutorial on inserting page breaks in Microsoft Word. Hopefully you found this instructional video useful and can now approach your documents with increased ease and confidence. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to guiding you through more tips and tricks in upcoming videos.